everyone, I'm Kay.
I'm Wes.
And we're planDisney panelists. You tap, you pay, and then you keep on going.
I'll be right there. Hold on.
Lightning lane access.
Batuu bounty hunters.
You know, Wes, as panelists, one of our most asked questions is features of the MagicBand Plus. One of my favorite is you can use it for entry into the parks.
I also love it when you actually enter the park, it lights up, it goes crazy. It is awesome for kids.
Yes, little ones love that. I know mine do. You want to get going?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hey, I play Disney.
Look at all these options. Oh my goodness. The Hollywood Tower Hotel,
I love this one.
my favorite.
My personal favorite, all the Star Wars right here.
Oh, of course, and then we got Dumbo right down here. And what I love is you can purchase these MagicBand Plus in the resorts. You can get them here at the parks or at Disney Springs. You can charge purchases. So you link it in the My Disney Experience app, you're in the stores, you tap, you pay, and then you keep on going.
That's it. Let's keep shopping.
Let's do it.
Monsters Inc. Avengers? Spider-Man? Come on.
Wes, I thought we were still shopping.
I'll be right there. Hold on.
Wes, another great feature of the MagicBand is lightning lane access.
It is awesome and it's really convenient. It's right here on your wrist. Have to pull out your phone or anything. It's just right here ready to go.
Yes, you ready to ride Tower of Terror?
Maybe I don't want to ride.
You want to ride Tower of Terror.
Okay, Kay, I am so excited. Batuu Bounty Hunters is happening right now.
This is so exciting. My kids loved this the last time we were here. So you connect your MagicBand in the PlayDisney Parks app, you scan in, you do the scavenger hunt, and you find your bounties.
Okay, look, accept a job. We're ready to go. We're gonna scan in.
Yes, we are. Ooh. Oh, there we go.
That guy does not look nice.
Not nice at all, so let's go get him.
Let's get him.
Let's do it.
Okay, so here's the deal. If it turns green, we're going the right way. If it's red, we're going the wrong way. Let's don't do that. When it's purple, we found our bounty. Oh, we're red. We're going the wrong way. It's red. Okay, I found it. Come on. So you hold your MagicBand close, and then what'll happen is then it says tap to activate your thermal viewer, and then you put it up over here. Yes, I got him. Now let's go back and get our credits.
If you're staying at a Disney resort, another great feature of the MagicBand is it doubles as your room key. You can also use your MagicBand to purchase food. Perfect, thanks, John.
Okay, we have had the most magical day today. And I think it was because the MagicBand really gave us the convenience of doing all these wonderful things today.
I agree. Scanning into the lightning lane, being able to pay for merchandise and food, super convenient. I agree.
My favorite, Batuu.
I knew you were going to
Call
say
me
that.
Mr. Bounty Hunter. I got all the tokens. It was awesome today.
You are so good at that.
Thank you.
Now, if you have questions about planning your magical vacation, please visit us at planDisney.com.